Howdy. Did you know that only 9% of business owners will emerge from an economic event, such as a recession or, I don't know, 2020, stronger than before? And that's according to the Harvard Business Review. So that really opens up a whole nother question. How do we avoid being a part of the 91%? How do we avoid being that 91% of business owners and businesses that barely survive, that struggle, and then maybe even consider folding up shop? Well, hi, my name is Leslie Hassler. I'm with Your Biz Rules Business Coaching, and I am on a mission to empower prosperity for every business owner. And the way that I do that is by working with service-based businesses to get growth and scalability right so that it's profitable and sustainable so that you and your business can have impact with the work that you do and create a financial legacy for yourself and your team. Look, I make numbers fun. I make money manageable. I make strategic planning easy. And I make exponential growth achievable. So if you're looking for keynotes and training and workshops to get that shot in the arm, I'm your gal. And if you need something a little deeper, we've got coaching and consulting that can address that as well. I have over 14 years of experience as a small business owner myself. And I use that. I often say that I have an MBA from the School of Hard Knocks, but it helps me keep things real for you, where we're tackling the problems that are today's problems and giving you impactful strategies that you can do something with tomorrow. So I promise, as part of our time together, you'll leave engaged, you'll leave inspired, you'll leave ready to take action. I look forward to chatting with you about working together, and I wish you a profitable week. That's all for now. I'm Leslie Hassler with Your Biz Rules Business Coaching.